Alright guys, I'm back. But my other videos uploaded, so don't, like, when you watch this video, when you get done watching this video, then you can go back to that video, so you can watch that video. Just did my duty belt sit up, so yeah. Now I told you guys over that video that double locking my handcuffs, how to double lock. It is not fake, real. Like it, I'm gonna break my face. But it is very real. It's real. I would just gonna say fake, but it's not fake, bro. Come on now. But yeah, it's real. Now, look, this is how you unlock it. Well, if you don't, you should know how to unlock it. But yeah, if you see these little two ends right here, go right here, up in the middle right here, right here, to unlock it. Okay. Now, it's no side thing on this side. But yeah. Now, on the back, you should see this. These little two silver things. Right there. See that little small button? This end. See that? So we don't push. Push in. Boom. Now you just can't get out because double lock. So that's it. Showing you guys how to double lock. Now, handcuffs. I will be getting trained handcuffs. So waiting for that to come. I'm sorry guys, I just said over the last video that I'll be doing moving around my toes, but I'm sorry. I'm just keep on not doing what I said. But yeah, I just moved around. I wasn't like thinking about it like, cause I gotta edit all of that, let it upload for an hour. Come on now. Who finna do that? Not me. Not me. But yeah, I'm done. That's how you double lock your handcuffs. So I will see you guys. I don't know when, but yeah. Ooh, what's wrong with my camera? Okay, there we go. Let me do a little lighting like that. Okay, there we go. Holly. Okay, but there you go. But yeah, I'll be doing some another video like catching Jaden and all of that outside. Yeah, cause you gotta want for like 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, we gotta go get him. Oh my God, what's wrong with my light? Okay. But yeah, we're gonna have to go catch him in 2 weeks. So 2 weeks from that pass, time to go get that boy to jail. But yeah, what's wrong with my light? But yeah, I don't know. Let me forget about this light. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video when we gotta go catch the journey. But we will be doing some more videos and stuff. Okay. Who you need to go subscribe. Go subscribe to Officer BT. Go subscribe to Officer JJ. Go subscribe to Officer Triple J. The reason why I just look like this because the light. But yeah, go subscribe to him too. Go subscribe to them 3 people. 3 people. I'll be getting the other person, but I have forgot the name. But yeah, go subscribe to me. But yeah. On YouTube, after this video and after that video, when they load up, go subscribe. Cause if you don't, just don't subscribe to them. Like I said, I'm still getting mad about this light. But yeah, like I said, give me 1,000 subscribers. Like I said, I got this little app. Whoever first subscribed just then, 1 subscriber, that's good. Thank you. Now, you have subscribed and hit that bell so you can get every notification every time when I make a video. But yeah, every time when I make a video, please subscribe so you can get every notification so you can watch the video. But yeah, I'll get the other person's name, and then after that, gotta go catch Jaden. But yeah, like I said, shoot, what was I gonna say, guys? I really don't know what's wrong with my lights. Okay, now yeah, go subscribe to them, please, and don't ever just subscribe to me. 2,000 subscribers. Come on now, that walkie-talkie finna come to one of you guys. And I hope you guys be happy because I just paid for that. Come on. I'm not trying to spend my money back. But yeah. I'll be doing a giveaway. Then yeah. Next time I'll make a video about a flip book. Like, flip book, yeah. But yeah, I'll be making a video of that too. The next video, well not the next video, but I'll be maybe in about like 2 weeks. I don't know, but in 2 weeks we had to go catch Jaden. I say Sunday or Saturday, I don't know when. But I will be making my gun. My gun clip. So to go like on the bottom. But yeah, I'll be making that one of them. Yeah, one of a gun clip. So yeah, I'll be making one of them. See you guys later. Yeah. And I'll be making a baton thing. But yeah. That's all guys. See you guys later. Have a good day.